Hey guys, my name is Elijah, and in this tutorial I will show you how to add a workspace in Trello. This is very simple and straightforward, just follow my steps. First step is to go right here to your account picture and click on it. Now you should see Create Workspace button, so click on it as well. Now give your workspace a name and then simply choose a type of your workspace and give your workspace optional description if you want. Then press continue. And now add your members, so just type their email addresses right here or click on invite with link, and this will copy the link to your clipboard and you can send it to anyone. And once you are done doing this, click on invite to workspace, and then simply your workspace is created. As you can see, workspace number 2. It is really simple. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.